Bitcoin is the only coin that has surpassed the $45,000 mark. Cardano is quite new and emerging technology, but it has been predicted to reach the $45,000 mark as well. I mean, it sounds crazy, right? Well, in a way, it does make sense. So be sure to stay tuned to the end video because you're about to receive some good news. Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum founder, has earlier commended the effort behind the blockchain project tagged as the Ethereum killer Cardano. According to him, Cardano has come to the crypto world with a different approach than Ethereum. The opinion was supported in an interview with Lex Fridman, an artificial intelligence researcher. Vitalik pointed out that Cardano ADA has interesting ideas, which suits his taste. Buterin registered his candid opinion about Hoskinson's progression and maturity in a lot of ways. He noted that the massive improvement, backed up by a strong community, will foster its success in the crypto world. The implication of his statement is proof that Cardano is capable of meeting up with his price predictions. Where Buterin sees Ethereum as implementing heuristic arguments, Cardano looks to academic proofs. He concluded that Cardano's outstanding potential is highly commendable. Months ago, Bitcoin had a terrible downside, but it did not deter it from mounting a comeback. The virtual currency briefly breached the $45,000 milestone. This was for the first time in roughly a month overnight, according to CoinMarketCap. Then it surged. It is unclear what caused the surge. The cryptocurrency's price has been improving in recent days. Still, the coin is down more than 34% from its all-time high of $68,789. For now, Bitcoin seems to be the only coin that has scaled to the $45,000 mark and beyond. So, does Cardano stand a chance? However, the volatility of the entire crypto market has not been able to foster its price stability. Crypto experts believe that amid the global volatility and rising inflation concern, the $45,000 mark for Bitcoin should not be seen as a surprise. But it would be a big surprise if Cardano hits the $45,000 mark as predicted. Generally, crypto investments are not for the short term, and timing the market is not a prudent approach, especially in this volatile period. It is the buy and hold strategy that wins, so it's not a crazy prediction for Cardano to hit the $45,000 mark. Cardano hasn't had a great 2022. Following the wild ride amid the pandemic, many investors suffered some losses. Once a glimmer of hope started to rise, the geopolitical flashpoint in Ukraine put such sentiments on hold. At that point, digital assets like Cardano found themselves in an awkward position. The Cardano price began trading at just under 2 cents when it became available to the public in October of 2017 on the Bitrex exchange and later on Cryptopia, which was eventually hacked and liquidated, underscoring the essence of choosing well-regulated crypto exchanges when investing in Cardano or any other crypto asset. During the 2017 bull run, the retail investor FOMO, or fear of missing out, pushed the Bitcoin price to $20,000, while ADA spiked to $1 within 3 months of its launch. However, during the 2018 bear market, it retracted its steps back to 2 cents, but it took a rebound to an all-time high of $3.10. According to Josh Inamoto, a NASDAQ business analyst, it is not out the reach to break the double-digit threshold and beyond. He made the statement back in May of 2021, and even speculated on ADA's price of $22 by the end of 2022, and potentially $100 by the end of 2027. It is important not to undermine that altcoins trend in both directions, up or down. For the NASDAQ analyst's Cardano forecast to play out at this point, it would likely require the current red month candle on the Cardano price chart to close green, leaving only a wick and short deviation below support. This would be achievable if Bitcoin, the pioneer of all cryptocurrencies, moves up to $48,000 over the next month or two. Alternatively, the Cardano upgrades could increase investors' confidence in ADA, enough for it to decouple from Bitcoin and move up on its own. Then Cardano would need to go on a 5 to 6 times bull run for the remainder of the year, sparked by news of all of its upgrades being successfully implemented and the optimizations being noticeable, and a possible target of $10. This is the kind of price expansion in Cardano's price history that has happened before. Reaching $22 by the end of 2022 seems very unlikely. However, an almost 30-fold increase in its market capitalization to reach that price would see Cardano flip Bitcoin, slightly overtaking its market cap. A prominent crypto trader did predict Bitcoin's market cap will be flipped by another coin by the end of 2022. It could be Ethereum or Cardano. What do you think? In the short-term bearish case, it can take until 2023 for Cardano to flip the $1 level back to support, as it is marked on the Cardano crypto price chart. Historically, Cardano is known to be slow in implementing fundamental upgrades on its roadmap or seeing their benefits. The Cardano community has always been the target of fear, uncertainty, and doubt on social media. Charles Hoskinson once commented, "You don't see this in other industries. You don't see this in physics or biology or cell phone manufacturing or whatever. Pick an industry, the amount of tribalism, hate, and abuse that our industry has for each other." In the most short-term bearish case, Cardano could enter another multi-year bear market in the sideways trending range under $1, if it needs more time to accumulate before the next cycle. The advantage of this is that the longer the accumulation, the more explosive the upward move. Taking the long-term view, the next Bitcoin halving is projected to take place in March of 2024, and the 2021 bull run took place shortly after the 2020 Bitcoin halving. That saw Bitcoin move past its previous top of $20,000 to $69,000, and the total crypto market cap went from $1 trillion to $3 trillion. If this happens again, it will put the ADA coin price in a good position. $45,000 does seem achievable for Cardano. Many decentralized finance projects continue to be built on the Cardano blockchain, and Layer 2 DeFi coins run those Cardano DeFi projects. More than 20 million tokens have been produced on Cardano, many NFTs. Cardano has lower gas fees than Ethereum, so it's a growing part of its NFT market. Hailed in the market as the Ethereum killer, it would flip Ethereum to market cap only if the price of Ethereum remains stable. Also, Cardano announced a partnership with esports and gaming platform Rival to develop NFT marketplaces and platforms, ushering a boost to the NFT space. The optimistic bullish Cardano price prediction would have it flipping Ethereum, as some predicted, then flipping Bitcoin, if the Bitcoin dominance and market share drops as DeFi, NFT, and the metaverse take over the crypto space. While we are open to the possibility that both Ethereum and Cardano could flip Bitcoin, there is already a metaverse, a virtual world built on Cardano, Pavia. However, it is in its early stages of development, and several of the best metaverse coins run on Ethereum. Cardano with a $1 trillion market cap would place it for $30, and if Cardano overtakes the market cap of gold, as Winklevoss brothers predicted for Bitcoin, that would result in ADA coin price of approximately $400. Currently, blockchain technology does not appear to be going well, but Cardano has stood the test of time. Despite the challenges, it is still one of the well-established cryptos and a potentially good investment for the long term, based on their business partnerships and ADA's real-world decentralized applications. Due to its potential to democratize finance, Cardano's price prediction of $45,000 is not out of the question. The price target may take time to play out, and every investor must be ready. Based on the roadmap, strategic partnerships, global business applications, and a loyal online community, Cardano has proven to be a good investment in the long term, being around the cryptocurrency industry longer than most crypto projects, and even many crypto exchanges. In the years to come, ADA can bank on something more substantive than technical patterns on the chart, several timelines of projects, and ordinary hypes. Amid an uncertain future of the crypto market, a $45,000 mark is achievable for Cardano. Vitalik Buterin's interest in Cardano is not a trivial fact. There is something he sees in Cardano's future. Whatever that is, it's going to be huge. But would you like to share your thoughts on this? Let us have them in the comments section below. And as always, make sure you click on the subscribe and bell buttons.